Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to full screen Kali Linux in VirtualBox. I have Oracle VM VirtualBox here. And without further ado, let's get started. So for an example, if I just show you, if I would just full screen this, you could see some white empty black spaces, which we don't need. The second way of doing this is going into view and full screen mode. You could also see it like that. So let me just minimize this, just like that. There. And the method of this is pretty long, so make sure you stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get started. Before we actually do the method here, you want to go to devices and click on insert guest edition CD image. If you didn't, if this error happens, that means you've already had it. Just look for it. It should be in your desktop. If it's not, I don't know why. You could just refresh your desktop or restart your system. And also, if you're watching this from my copy and paste video, how to fix it, you might not need to do these steps, but just in case, to stabilize and perfect Kali Linux, do it, because why not? So you want to open your VBox Editions CD image in your desktop. Scroll down to an empty space, right click and click on Open Terminal here, and just X that out. And type in ls. Now you can see all these files and folders. You want to look for VBox Linux editions.run, copy selection, write sudo chmod space +x, and paste the clipboard. Hit enter. This, yeah, I spelled my thing wrong. Okay. This just changes permissions, executable permissions for this, so that you could execute it with root permissions. Now you've done that, you could do sudo // and paste it in. Enter. Oh, sorry. You want to do sudo sh // paste the clipboard and hit enter, so that you execute this file with root permissions. Again, if you watch my my copy and paste video, you might not need to do this, but just in case for perfection stabilization, you could do this. So if you guys don't have this error here, kernel headers not found for target kernel, and you have something else, you could just do sudo reboot now. But because I have the error here, we need to do some extra steps. So it says here it won't be replaced until the system is restarted. I'm not going to restart it now, but instead we're going to go into Firefox, and you want to type in Kali Linux network repository. I can't spell. Yeah, I spelled that completely wrong. Yeah. You want to click on the first link in www.kali.org. Click it, and you want to look for this default network repository value. So once you're in your terminal, you want to type in sudo nano to get into the file of /etc/apt/sources.list. Hit enter, and you should have some stuff over here. You want to delete all of it. Oh, that's not working. Did I do something wrong? Oh, sorry. I didn't put that slash. You need to do a dot. Hit enter, and you want to delete all of this. So I'm just going to go all the way down here. Do that. You have to go into your Kali network repositories. Wait, did my thing just crash? Uh-oh. Okay guys, I had to reboot my Kali Linux because my mouse wasn't working. So you want to go to your Kali Linux network repositories, and also go into sudo nano slash etc slash apt, if I spelled that correct, sources dot list. Hit enter, put in your password. Everything should be here, but I deleted all of that. And you want to copy all of this, or if you don't have copy and paste, you have to write it down. Control C, go into here, you want to paste the clipboard. Now you want to hit enter, and you want to scroll all the way down till you see non-Kali repositories. And here you can see it there. You want to copy from echo all the way till the end, sources.list. Copy. I like to hit enter one more time so that I can see some stuff there. Oh no, nope, that's wrong. Oh, Control Z. So I'm actually going to delete all this because you actually don't have to write this. You can just type this in. So if you just delete all this, exit out of this, save the modified buffer, yes, hit enter, done. Now you want to paste in that clipboard thing. There, it's pasted it into that thing there. You can also check it again by not doing that, by doing that, and as you can see, it is there. Now if I just X this out and X this out as well, what do you have to do next? Oh, okay. So you want to go into here, and you have to copy or write down this sudo, and just paste it in, sudo space apt dash get space update space and, which is the symbol and, space sudo space apt dash get space upgrade space dash y space and again symbol and, space sudo space apt dash get space dist dash upgrade space y. Make sure you double check it, hit enter, put in your password. Yep, and all this should happen. It should take a long time.
A few moments later.
So all of my stuff has been done, processing triggers for everything's been so long, like all this it's been 2 hours, literally 2 hours. So after that long wait, after all this downloading, you want to type in sudo, nope, not in there, sudo, if I type in that correctly, sudo reboot now, put in your password, let it load by itself, sudo reboot now, should reboot by itself. Video, subscribe if you're new, like the video if you liked it, and also comment below if you need any Kali Linux problems, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bring me down, pick me up, that's a start. Always poppin', yeah. My body hurts, can't stand. Restart.